love. L-O-V-E, love. Taon-taon tuwing Pasko, may mga regalo at salo-salo.
Makukulay na parol at ilaw, sa mga tahanay tumatanglaw.
Para sa mga kababayan nating laging nakatune in sa SMNI, kahit nasaan mang panig kayo ng mundo, maligayang Pasko.
Laging kasama mo.
Handog ay pag-ibig ng Diyos, saan ka man sa mundo. May pagpapala ngayong Pasko. Ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay tanggapin mo. Paglilingkod sa kapwa at pagbibigayan ang ating ipanaig sa sanlibutan. Learn to give and care for others this Christmas. Share a gift of love. L-O-V-E, love. Share a gift of love. L-O-V-E, love. Share a gift of love. L-O-V-E, love. Share a gift of love. L-O-V-E, share a gift of love. Gift of love.
My name is Sofia and I'm from Ukraine. My only prayer is that there will be no more wars in the world.
That hate can no longer be heard.
A world full of hope, peace, love, and joy. Isn't that lovely? When we are all brothers and sisters, like one family. No division, no barriers. What the world needs now is love.
Yakan para sigid. Inyaki lakan.
There's still hope for humanity if we are willing to share
The gift of love.
We are pleased to bring you this humanitarian effort of the SMNI Foundation Incorporated.
Masayang masaya ang mga kababayan na matapos na makatanggap ng pamasko. Dahil pag-ibig
Maraming salamat po. Love you so much.
Lamig ng simoy ng hangin, naghahatid ng isang awitin. Ngayong Pasko ay magniningning, may tugon sa bawat panalangin.
Merry Christmas!
Well, to share gift of love is to share whatever we have to be poor, to the homeless children, and to show them that Jesus Christ came here to love them, and that love is manifested through us. That is the love that we can understand.
Give and sharing love, and yes, our blessings from above. Treat each other as family, hey, with the community. For every laugh we touch, there are wounds we patch. Here with no strings attached, time to share a gift of love. Itigil na ang mga digmaan, itigil na ang mga hidwaan. Tanggalin ang galit at buot sa puso, itaguyod ang kapayapaan. Share love, share peace, share joy, sa ating kapwa ay pagpatuloy. This world will become a better place if we double our goodness instead of hate, yeah.
Sa kabila ng ating mga pinagdaanan, serbisyo sa kapwa at sa katotohanan.
No matter the amount of the gift, heartily given, and especially to those who really need it. Share the gift of love.